Hello, everyone. Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. Making this a small video about oil. So let's talk about oil a little bit. This is the weekly chart I made in July 2023. It's a weekly chart, and we were here at 50%, and I said, well, this is the time to bounce from here. We did bounce before. We went up to this high here, and then came back down again. And I said, okay, we're going to go back there again one more time, or maybe even higher now this time. So let's see what happened to this chart is this. So we went not only to 84.95, but we went all the way to 92.89, right? And a 50% drop of this. So I said, okay, this is where we're probably going to stop and drop back to this low here, 76.06. Okay, and that chart I made in September. And so now what happened to this chart is this. So right from 92.89 as of today, from September and October and November, so we came in three-wave ABC fashion all the way to a little below than 76.06, right? So we are standing right now here. And this is my before chart as well. Now this is the current chart. And I would say this is, let me see, where the heck is that? Okay, this is what the new chart is going to be. And I think I didn't save it. Yes. All right, so I will save it later. So this is my new chart that we're probably going to bounce from here. TL, I was expecting that it will probably come all the way to the TL, but it did. And now it's moving to the upside. How do I know that if it's moving? Look at the daily chart. The daily chart is this. It's a very nice candlestick, bullish candlestick formation, which we call morning star. You have a black candle, the bearish candle, and a star kind of candle, like a very small body, and then a bullish candle, a big one. So three candlestick formation, morning star is in place, and now we're probably gonna go to the upside. And we bounced from this area, and then now we are above this. We are at this 77.51. Right now the number is 77.31. See, we are just below this, we are just above this. Let's see what happens. So this is what I think that we're going to be going to the upside. My 40-minute chart, this is how it is. And you can see here that it's all the way dropped. 76.06 is right there. So this small move to the upside, and then this 61% around that, right? So this is kind of like wave 1 and 2, touching 78%. Now, if you go on even a smaller time frame, you see this one here. See this wave 1, then ABC correction for wave 2, and it is at 78%, right? Exactly. The first one was 61, 23, 78, and that is a perfect harmonic pattern called Gertley, 61, 23, 78, right? And after that, what happened? It started to go up, right? So this is wave 1, this is wave 2. We are going for wave 3. Now, wave 3 usually is 1.6180 or more. So if you look at the 40-minute chart, you probably see that wave 3 will maybe around this area here, which will be very close to this, maybe 80, 61, and then, or maybe higher. But anyway, let's see what happens. But now, what's happening, what I see here, as a big picture, is that the whole, they're getting ready. I don't want to say the names or whatever, but they're getting ready to attack on Iran, right? So now Iran is going to get attacked, and he's threatening to disrupt the oil supply by closing the strait called Hormuz, right? So if he does that, then boom, oil supply will get shot, and then we will have oil crisis probably, and oil prices, the way I see that, they're gonna skyrocket. So that's what's gonna happen, and that's why I'm paying attention to this oil. It's coming very, very fast, and so be ready. And then these are the levels. Just pay attention to these levels, and my subscribers, you guys have see, this is the 20-minute long setup is building, right? Beautiful. So you're gonna take I'll probably see, this, if it's, the market opens up and then I have a proper setup. It is getting, setting up right now properly. So I'm gonna take that and go to the upside, level by level, one by one, take out these levels here, and then go for this area first. 8061. We may dip a little bit and then go to the upside, but eventual target is 84.30 for now. So let's see what happens, right? So this is a very good setup, and there are reasons that the oil is going to go up, like I explained, right? So, trade accordingly, all right? So be prepared, and whatever, this is my plan, and I will trade my plan. And I'm giving you this, and then get ready, and you have whatever the system you're using, use it and trade accordingly. Okay, so bye for now. And I said I'm gonna make the second video when I made the gold video a little while ago, right? So I said I'm gonna make a video about indices, but instead of that, I saw a few things here which I think that maybe more important. So I said, okay, let me make this video first, and then maybe later on, in a couple hours later, I will make a video about the indices like S&P 500, NASDAQ, and US 30, etc., etc. Okay, so bye for now, and talk to you guys later.